Guys, am I recording? Can you please check it out once?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, you are
sir.
recording.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Ha. So 17th question do we need to discuss right now, right? Do we need to discuss that or 18th one?
Sir,
Sir, I
16.
think it's 18th one, sir, I think.
No. 1 second. So
16, sir.
we have done 16th we have. So till 15th question we have done, right? So 15th question I told you to solve by verifying the options, right? Till 15th we have done. 16th question. Everyone look upon 16th one. Points minus 4 comma minus 1 minus 2 comma minus 4 4 comma 0 2 comma 3 are the vertices of a what? So 1 second, let me share the screen. Don't be scary, this is not yours, it is your 11th standards. 1 second. Who is that? Can you please unmute yourself? Hello, please unmute yourself. Who is that? Chalo. So what was the question? Can you please look at? See, one member. Everyone remember one point. A point is minus 4 comma 1 minus 2 comma 4. Point A was minus 2 comma 1. B was
Minus 2 comma 4.
C was.
Minus 4 something, sir.
Everyone should remember one point. 4 comma 0 2 comma 3.
2,3, sir. D 2,
2,3, sir.
Chalo. So first, let us plot this point on a coordinate axis.
Sir, A is wrong.
Minus 4 comma 1, na?
minus 4, sir.
Good. Chalo. X y. So first minus 4 comma 1. So where it is going to be minus 4 comma minus 4, it is going to be somewhere here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Minus A. See, I'm not plotting the, I'm not just making the points. So straight away I'm just plotting the points on the coordinate axis. Please try to understand. So A point has been given. What is a B point? What is point B? Minus
Sir,
2
minus
comma
2 and
4.
minus 4.
Minus
It will
2
be
comma
here.
4, it will be here.
2 on
This down of A.
B. Clear? Minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 comma 0, which is going to be where it is going to be?
On X axis.
Sir, above A. Above A.
Above A.
C. What is the 2 comma 3? 2 comma 3, which is going to be 2 is going to be here. 3 is going
quadrant
to be
1.
in.
Sir, first one.
Quadrant 1, sir.
Quadrant 1, it is going to be somewhere here. What is saying?
Yes, sir.
He's saying that, so are vertices of a parallelogram or what?
Sir, it's showing rectangle.
It is showing rectangle. How come it shows? Are you getting a rectangle? This one?
No,
You are
sir,
getting a
That's
knife.
simulated tight, sir.
You are getting a knife.
Tight, sir.
Huh?
A kite, sir.
It
Kite.
is, yes, it is a
Kite,
kite.
sir.
So it is a kite. So look at this. So we do not have the option. So this answer also wrong. So option
Yes,
must
sir.
be, and the question might be wrong. Actually, the option must be kite. Clear? So it happens. We are having online tests. We are giving the papers in online. So
One doubt, sir.
sometimes it might we might be having doubts. We might be having wrong questions. Clear? So that's supposed to be a kite. So next one. Tell me.
So one doubt, sir. Means what we should take as X axis and what we should take as Y axis in this minus 4 and minus 1. That one confusion is.
Which one?
Sir, this A minus 4 minus 1, B minus 2 minus 4, no, sir.
Yes.
So what we should take as x-axis as
Look at this. Always first coordinate is going to be always x. Second coordinate is always going to be y. Getting my point?
okay, sir.
So this is x, this is y. Everywhere, wherever you see, the first coordinate will be always x, second coordinate will be always y. So next one. So 17th one, if the coordinate of 2 points p, q, then abscissa minus, oh my goodness, abscissa of p and abscissa of q is what? What is abscissa of p? Minus 2?
-2 and -3.
And minus 2 of
Minus 2 and minus 3.
One is the
three.
right answer.
minus
One
2
is the right
minus
answer.
so minus 3.
One is the right answer. One is the right answer.
Yes, sir. 1.
So chalo.
Yes, sir.
So next question. So next question. Chalo. The points -5, 2, 2, -5 lie in the what?
Second and fourth quadrant.
Second and fourth quadrant. Very simple.
Second and fourth, sir.
Second and fourth.
Ordinate of all points on the x-axis.
Any number, sir.
Ordinate means what?
Zero,
Hello.
zero.
What is ordinate?
Will be
Ordinate
zero.
means y coordinate.
coordinate.
Y
Zero.
coordinate.
Zero.
On x-axis, y coordinate is always going to be 0.
0.
0, sir.
Clear? Getting my point? Great. So which are the following? Only 20 questions, dude, not 30 questions, guys. So which are the
Sir, we had
following?
30.
Sir, we did a 30-question test.
Sir, we
Yes,
did
sir.
30
Submit
questions.
system.
Yes,
How
sir.
come it is 30?
So
How
we
come
can
it is
send
30?
you screenshots also. It's 30.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it's 30.
In coordinate
let's check.
systems.
Okay, we'll check, we'll solve. See, which are the following points nearest to the origin? Nearest to the origin.
So means what, sir?
Sir,
I mean,
Minus three
nearest
and
to the origin
minus
means 0.
Yeah, okay.
Coordinate of 2 axes like this. What
So
is
option
the-
C.
minus
Sir,
3
C.
and minus 4.
So C.
Sir, see.
This is origin here. Here we have -3, 4. -3 will be here. -4 will be here somewhere. So this point is going to be what? -3, 4. Clear? So this is going to be -3, 4. This point. So which is nearest? And 0, 6. 0, 6 will be here. Which is going to be 0, 6. And -6, 0. -6, 0 here. -6, 0 here.
4,
Next.
5.
4, 5 will be here somewhere. 4 will be here. 5 will be here somewhere. So which one is the nearest one now? Look at this. This one, of course, this is so much distance. This is so much distance. This is so much distance. Which is the nearest one? This point is the nearest one to the origin. Clear my point? Getting my point?
Sir,
Any
in
doubt?
0,
Yes,
6,
sir.
so you can take
Yes, sir.
point even at origin, right?
Huh?
It's 0.
0, 6. 0 is here. X coordinate is here. Look at this. 0 is here. Y coordinate is here. No, 6. So it is going to be there.
Sir, we should keep point at y coordinate.
Huh?
We should keep point at y coordinate.
I didn't get you.
Sir, we should always keep a point at y coordinate.
It is not like that. It is not like that. You should not keep it. Not necessary to keep a point. Point means are you saying this point to highlight that? See, it is not like that. 0, 6 means x coordinate is x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 6. So this is my x coordinate. This is my y coordinate. So x coordinate means 0. This is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
X coordinate 0 will be here. 6 will be here. So this distance. So I'll be plotting the point here. 0, 6 here. Clear? So which is
Sir,
the nearest?
where will you keep the point?
Which point?
It's 0, 6. Where will you keep the point?
This one. Look at this. This one. This is my 0,6. This green color, big dot. Clear my point? Any doubts?
Sir,
Done?
can we once revise the coordinate system one because many people did that?
Yeah. So coordinate system will go ahead. Chalo. So 1 second, let me. I do not understand why did you get that coordinate system. I just said this paper, but your coordinate geometry. This one, right?
Sir, system. Sir, system.
No, sir. Coordinate system.
Sir,
System.
system.
Okay. Wait. That was different. Uh, um, coordinate system. Where it was, guys? See, in the month of, look at this. You can see here. Can you see the test here for the 9th standard math polynomials? It was on May 1st. Second, coordinate geometry. It was on 15th May. Are you able to look at this? So
But it was
Yes, sir. But we somehow got the other one.
look at
Yes,
this.
sir.
One
Sir,
second.
it's that coordinate system, sir.
Guys. Hello. Be calm. Be cool. Coordinate system. Let us check like that. You are getting this one. Oh my goodness.
Yes, sir. This one.
Oh, it was updated on February 2nd. Feb 2nd.
yes, sir. Noticed other than this was available, sir.
Yeah.
Ayyo, Rama.
Very
first, sir.
Chalo, we'll look at that question paper as well. Someone is laughing. Why? Same question. Same. Huh. The points whose abscissa and ordinate have different signs. Abscissa different signs. Second and fourth quadrant.
Second and fourth quadrant.
Simple question. Oh, same question we got. Second question already has been repeated. Second
Sir,
question. Hello.
Sir, abscissa means same.
The order is different.
What is abscissa, capsicum? What you're talking about, Shreyan?
Abscissa.
Not abscissa, abscissa.
Abscissa. Okay.
Abscissa. You are saying
Means it is-
abscissa,
That-
capsicum. What is this, man?
Right, right.
Great. Not an issue. Jokes apart. Look at the second question. Already this question has been asked in the previous test. Like geometry, coordinate geometry we have discussed. Yesterday we have discussed the second question. Look at the third question.
Sir, the second question option is wrong.
Yeah. Yesterday, yesterday only we discussed, right? So it was wrong. Yeah, yesterday we discussed the same question. See, the questions whichever we have discussed yesterday, I'm not going to discuss it again. Why? Because it is going to be time waste process. So let us proceed with that and just let us make into the, let us go with a geometry lesson once we're done with this. Okay, we'll revise this question paper very fast and let us go with the geometry lesson. We'll continue with the geometry. Why? Because great. So I think everyone might have understood very simple questions. Was there any question which was troubling you really? None of the questions was troubling you really. Every question was,
no, sir. Everything we knew.
yeah, everything you knew, but the options, questions was, some options were wrong, answers were wrong, right? Answers were wrong, basically. So
Yes, sir.
okay, so but you know the concept. That's great. Happy for that. Okay, so points whose ordinate is 4, which lies on the ordinate is 4, which lies on y-axis. On y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. On y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. So 0, 4 is the answer.
Option is B, sir.
Option B is correct.
Sir, 0 lies on x-axis or y-axis?
On y-axis, hello, both 0 lies on x and y-axis both. It will be look at this here. This is my x. Horizontal line will be x. Vertical line will be y. So point of intersection of these two lines is going to be 0, 0 origin, right? Point of intersection of these two axes is going to be origin. Getting my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next.
Fourth question is the same, sir. We have
Fourth,
discussed it.
already we have. Fifth one, the point which lies on y-axis at a distance 5 units
Option C.
in the negative direction. Oh my goodness, very good question. Look at this. We didn't discuss this kind of concept. The point,
Sir, here the answer is not in the option, sir.
wait,
Actually, I
the
think
point,
Yes, sir.
wait, the point which lies on the y-axis at a distance of 5 units, units in the negative direction of
the
y-axis.
answer should be 0.
Sir, 0 comma minus 5.
0 comma minus 5,
-5,
sir.
But there's no option.
But there is no option. 0 comma minus 5.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. The point which lies on the y-axis. Point lying on y-axis and 5 units from the negative direction, negative y-axis. It will be here, no? Somewhere.
Yes, sir.
0 comma minus 5. So
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There is no
But
option
there's
in the
no
exam.
option.
it should be C option, but you know, A option and C option both are same.
Yes, sir.
See, this is what the mistake has gone, not an issue. So the perpendicular distance of the point P 3 comma 4 from the y-axis is perpendicular distance of the point P from the y-axis.
So it should be 3, right?
It
Because
should be 3, sir.
Exactly.
But the actual answer they're showing is 7.
Look at this
Yeah.
one. One second. Perpendicular distance of the point 3 comma 4 from the y-axis. 1 second. Let me draw a line here. Let me draw coordinates. X, Y, everywhere. Entire coordinate system, entire coordinate axis, x-axis, y-axis, plotting the points. Everywhere it will be same. So look at this now. So same questions. What is the question here? The perpendicular distance of the point. First, let us draw 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 is going to be somewhere here. 3 and 4 here. Clear? Clear? What is saying 3 comma 4?
Yes, sir.
From the y-axis is what? The perpendicular distance from the y-axis. From the y-axis. Look at this here. Can I extend this? This is perpendicular, this point. Perpendicular distance from the y-axis is what? Perpendicular distance means what?
Three.
This is going to be perpendicular. What is that?
3.
3.
Yes.
3 units.
So 3 units. Option A is correct, but D option given. What's happening? Everything
Can you
has
explain
Yes.
again?
4 questions
Yes.
are like that.
Look at this. Look at this. Everyone try to understand this. This diagram. Did you understand this diagram?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, yes, you just tilt the diagram. See, perpendicular distance means if I draw this line, if I make exact this line, which is called as 90 degrees, this is perpendicular. Look at this here. We are making 90 degrees here. So he's asking this distance. What is this distance? What is this distance? What is this distance? 3. What is this distance?
3.
This is 4. This is 3. Clear? So perpendicular distance is 3. Perpendicular distance is 3 on x-axis. On x-axis, y-axis. From the y-axis. From the y-axis. From the y-axis. This is my y-axis. This is my x-axis. I have a point 3 here. So from this y-axis, what is this distance? What is this distance? 3 centimeters or 3 units. Getting my point? 3 units. Units could be anything. Centimeters, meters, kilometers. It could be anything. Getting my point? Kilometers, of course, won't be there. If he gives kilometer in the graph, you have to convert into meters. You have to convert into centimeters. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next question.
Sir, so the answer is 3, right?
Yes. So point 0 comma 4 lies in what? 0 comma 4.
So
0
y-axis.
comma 4
Y-axis.
lies on
Y-axis.
y-axis. Very
So
good.
y-axis.
Both, if both coordinates of any point are positive, then that point will be
First quadrant.
First quadrant, sir.
Quadrant.
very bacha question, laddu question, right? Next question. If both coordinates of any point are negative,
Sir, third quadrant.
Third quadrant.
third quadrant, namam. Perpendicular distance of point from x-axis is known
Ordinate.
as x-axis.
Ordinate.
Sir, ordinate.
It should be
Very
ordinate
good.
B.
It is not an abscissa. Sir, you told that x coordinate
The y coordinate, sir.
Sir, you told that x coordinate can be called as abscissa, y coordinate is ordinate. But you are saying x-axis is ordinate now. No, it's not like that. He's asking perpendicular distance from x-axis is known as. Look at this here. See, this is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. So if I draw any perpendicular distance, this is perpendicular distance, right? If I draw any line like this perpendicularly, this is perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from x-axis. From x-axis. So, sorry, from x-axis. Ayyo, Rama. Perpendicular distance from, this is my x-axis. From x-axis, what it is going to be? If I draw like this, this is, if I draw one line here, this is going to be perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from x-axis is going to be what? This distance is going to be y coordinate. Y coordinate can be called as ordinate. So ordinate is right answer. Sir, it is an abscissa. If you write abscissa, what is going to happen? Ting, 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 ting.
-5.
You are going to get 0. You are going to get 0 marks. Getting my point? You are going to get 0 if you are writing abscissa to that. Clear? Chalo, next one. Which point lie on y-axis?
Sir, option C.
Option
0,
C.
2.
Very simple. Same type of question. Signs of abscissa and ordinate of a point second quadrant respectively. Array are simple.
Sir,
Second,
minus and plus.
Minus and plus.
Minus and
ordinate
plus.
of all points on the x-axis.
0, sir. We discussed
Zero,
this.
Very good. Ordinate. Yesterday we discussed. Which are the points? Array, already we have discussed this one.
Yes, sir.
See,
This is been
option
discussed.
C.
Sir, PRT, sir.
Yeah, PRT. Abba, PRT.
PTR, PRT.
Huh.
PRT
So
by
the end points of the longest chord of the circle. Tell me, the end points of the longest chord of a circle are -4, 2.
So that's the
-6,
diameter, sir. Center of diameter.
Yes. Look at this. Very simple. So let us make this emoji as a circle. See how that became useful to us. See, end point of this chord and end point of this. This is called as chord, right? End point of this, end point of this. So this is diameter. So if this point has been given, this point has been given. So it became this emoji became very stylish now. So look at this now. -4, 2, -6, 8. -4, 2, -6, 8.
-8, sir. -8.
-8. Okay. We have just 10 minutes of time. You just join the session again after 10 minutes. So what it is going to be, he's asking for what? Longest chord. So from the center, find the center. What it is going to be? Tell me. How can we find it out? Any?
Sir,
So we can draw the graph and we can easily find it out.
Yes. Look at this here. We'll draw the diagram, graph first. What is that? -4, 2. -4, 2 will be here. Arey yaar, I'm not good at diagrams. -4 will be here. 2 will be here somewhere. So this is going to be my point. Clear? -6, 8. -6, 8. -6 going to be here.
Sir,
And-
it should be -6, -8.
-6, -8 only I'm drawing. So -8 will be somewhere here. So point will be here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
What he is asking us now? Tell me.
The
Now let
center.
us.
Center.
Sir, the center.
Longest chord of a circle. Find the center of a circle. What is the center of a circle? Tell me. Center of a circle is what? Guys, tell me, how can we approach? Now tell me, very interesting question.
Sir, we can like
Sir,
use
if we
the-
bisect, Sir, if we make the line using those 2 points and then bisect the line, we
Uh-huh.
will get the center.
Sorry.
So the midpoint of the line,
Uh-huh.
which is like minus 4 comma 2 and minus 6 comma 8,
Uh-huh.
minus 8.
Uh-huh.
Midpoint of the line made by those two
Mm-hmm.
is the midpoint,
Mm-hmm.
which is the
Yeah.
center.
So what we can do is
So, or
like
we can measure the line and divide it by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's what I was saying. We can. There are 10 units.
Minus
total.
6 comma, so minus 4 comma 2.
No, sir, minus 4 comma 2 and minus 6 comma 8. Minus 8.
So we can simply add the height and then
Look at
divide
this
by
here.
2. So we can add the height and divide by 2.
See here, midpoint of this is going to be what? Center.
Center, sir.
What is midpoint? X1 plus X2 by 2, comma Y1 plus Y2 by 2. This you might have learnt, right? What is X1 here? Minus 6,
Minus 6.
minus 4 by 2, minus 8 plus 2 by 2. So minus 5 comma minus 5. So minus 3. Getting my point? Minus 5 comma minus 3. So this is going to be minus 5 comma minus 3. Getting my point? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Do we have the option? Yes,
Yes,
option
sir.
D is correct. So what is the formula for midpoint now?
X1 by
x1 plus x1 by
x2.
X1
by
plus
by
X2.
2, y1 plus
X1
y2.
plus
The
x2
sum of
by
ordinates
2
and
and
abscissa by
y1 plus
2.
by 2 by
Very
2.
simple, very simple, very simple. Next question. We have discussed 16th one as well.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
17th one also we have discussed.
Yes, sir.
18th one also we have discussed. This one.
Yes, sir.
19th one also we have discussed.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, everything you have discussed, then what should we discuss, sir? Huh?
There are 30 questions, sir.
So everything we have discussed, what should we discuss? Now, 20th question also we have discussed. Minus 10
Yes,
comma
sir.
0 lies in what? Negative direction of
Negative direction of
x-axis, as simple as it. Twenty-first question. The point both of whose coordinates negative are very, very simple, yaar.
Sir, do not lie in the same coordinate, sir.
Do not.
Lie in the same
Lie in
coordinate.
the same coordinate.
He's
Because
asking
minus
both.
3, minus 4 will lie in the third coordinate.
The
And
point
rest
both whose coordinates are negative will be in the third quadrant.
Sir, he is saying
So
about
it should be
22nd
D.
question.
Do not lie in the same quadrant.
Yes, sir.
He is saying will lie in, not do not lie in.
So I was talking about 21st question, not 22nd.
Okay, 22nd question. Points this one. Okay. Do not lie in.
the same coordinate.
Very good, very good. 23rd question, y coordinate. The y coordinate of a point is 0. Very simple, x-axis. Y coordinate of a point 0 means x-axis. Point lies on what?
Yes,
X-axis.
sir.
The points minus 5 comma 2, 2 comma minus 5 lie in the what? Second
Sir,
and
2
fourth
and
one.
4.
Same second quadrant we have discussed already. If the perpendicular distance of a point P from the x-axis is 5 units and the foot of the perpendicular lies on the negative direction of x-axis, then the point P has. Very interesting question. Look at this. Perpendicular distance of point P from the x-axis. Let us draw like this. Perpendicular distance of, where is that? Perpendicular distance of a point P from the x-axis is 5 units and from the x-axis. From the x-axis, let us say this is 5 units. Okay, 5 units. And foot of perpendicular lies in the negative direction of y-axis, negative direction of x-axis. So foot of perpendicular lies will be negative direction of x-axis, means it will be here. It is 5 units. So this distance is going to be what now? This distance.
So it can
5
be
units.
both
Minus
up and
5.
down, right?
Huh. Then the point P has. Then the point P has.
Y coordinate 5 or minus 5 because it can
Yes.
be up and down.
Yes. It could be plus 5 minus 5. Getting my point? It could
Sir,
be up
they
and
mentioned as a negative. No?
perpendicular distance of point P from the x-axis is 5 units and foot of the perpendicular lies in the negative direction of x-axis. The point P has. Then the point P has x coordinate has minus 5. Option A should be correct.
So both option A and D both are correct.
Sir, y
Huh.
coordinate minus
He's
5.
saying, look at the question here. He's saying, one second, let me zoom it out. Look at this here. Perpendicular distance of point P from the x-axis is 5 units. And the foot of the perpendicular lies in the negative direction of x-axis.
Yes, sir. So it can be from both. It can be from positive 5 or negative 5, the y coordinate. And it should be coordinate should be minus 5.
No, look at this here. What I'm saying is, it is the foot of the perpendicular, whatever the perpendicular triangle, it is in negative x-axis. Oh, it is in negative x-axis means it will be here, man. We are writing here negative y-axis.
So it can be
We are
both.
one second. We are diagram itself we made wrong. Huh. Look at this here. It is 0 here. It will be minus 5 here. From the point distance of a point P from the x-axis is 5 units. This is my x-axis. This will be the 5 units. The foot of the perpendicular lies on the negative. Very good. See, the diagram itself we made it wrong. So the option D is correct. Absolutely, option D is correct. Why? Because it is negative direction, right? So it could be 5, it could be 5 here, anywhere. But the distance is 5 units from the x-axis.
Yes, sir. So I mean to say
Okay.
that both A and D are correct.
Yeah, you are right. So next question. So we know that perpendicular distance of a point. Look at the solution. We know that the perpendicular distance of a point P, a point from the x-axis, y coordinate of the point. Here the foot of the perpendicular lies on the negative direction of x-axis. So perpendicular distance and the point y coordinate is 0, minus 5. 0, minus 5 is the answer. And option A is also correct if you're not asking negative direction of. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now we can.
Yes,
Now
we
we
can.
can.
I'm getting some noise from your side. Yeah, look at this here. So what is the solution has been given here? Look at the solution. I'm not able to.